welcome back. I'm Stephanie. For those of you who don't know me, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Breville Cold XL juicer. This beauty right here, look at how pretty. Look at that big box. That box is freaking huge. But yeah, so I just got this in the mail the other day and I'm super excited to be sharing this with you guys because I'm finally gonna start juicing. I had this other juicer, Lord Jesus, that thing is horrid. It's the Jacqueline one. It's freaking old. That thing is so old, but it like didn't give me half of the juice that this one does. So I just wanted to show you guys how it works, what it came with and all that stuff. It's a pretty pricey juicer, but honestly, the amount of juice that comes out of this thing is insane. Like, it really is. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how it works, what it came with, and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get to the video. So this is the obviously where you connect everything. I don't even know what you call this thing, but the little machine where it holds everything. It has three options. It has a quiet soft fruit option, it has a fast option, and then it has a boost option, which is for hard veggies. Pretty cool because it's just a little knob that you can turn. It's so easy to use, it's so cute. It is pretty quiet when you use the quiet mode, and it is really, really loud when you use the fast and boost mode, but I'll be showing you guys that later. Top of it comes with the thing you push it down with. The blade, this thing comes off of here, and I'll show you guys when I'm putting it all together. And then obviously where you can throw the juice out, and then the little container it comes with. This is a 70-ounce container, so you can actually store more and juice all in one day and just store it in the fridge, which I love. Also comes with this when you attach it, but I'll be showing you guys that when I attach everything. It also comes with an instruction manual, and then it comes with a few like juice recipes, decent, pretty nice cards that you just store, and it gives you like juicing recipes and stuff, which is pretty cool. And then yeah, Sweet Tooth, Health Kick, gives you like different types of juices, and it comes with how many? Let's see, here's another one, and there's like 3 recipes in the back. Each picture has like 3 or 4 different juices you can make in the back, so that is awesome. It comes with this showing you for what fruit, what speed to use, which is also very convenient. Like if you weren't sure which one to use, it kind of shows you there. Another thing it also comes with is this brush to clean it with, which is really cool. It's pretty sturdy. I love that the bristles are really hard, so it really is like gets it in there and cleans it really good. It's pretty heavy, to be honest. It's not like super heavy, but it is pretty heavy. It's not light. Then the next attachment for it is actually the draining, like where the juice comes out from, which looks like this, and comes with a blade, and this is a centrifugal blade. It's cool because this one is literally attached to the mesh. Just like kind of align it and it automatically gets stuck there, and the same thing with the blade. You just want to align it and it automatically just gets in there, and when you want to take it off, you just pull it open. This is the back compartment where you can like all the extra stuff comes out of. You just attach this in the back. Then you just have the top for it, which is really pretty too. I love that it's clear and you can really see everything that comes out of it. And then super simple, and you just close this up. This is where the juice comes out of. Where, let me show you guys, and turn it around. You literally just attach this here, and it's like this rubber attachment. I love that it can literally fit this container and small cups. So convenient, especially if you just want like a tiny cup or a bigger cup. Like, I love that it just falls down right there. So the first juice we're gonna try the boost option, and I'm gonna show you guys how much of it is left over, and I'm gonna show you how much comes out with an apple, 2 apples. I'm gonna juice 2 apples. This is how loud it gets for the boost. 2 apples I'm gonna be using. Let's do 1 apple. Gave you about almost 10 ounces. I know like that extra froth is there, but it literally almost gave you 10 ounces. It just looks like a little bit because of this huge jar. But let me pour it into a regular cup so you can see how much is actually in there. See how much, look how much juice. So much of it just with 2 apples. That's crazy. Look how much was left over. Let's take it out to show you guys. Squish it to see if any juice comes out of it. And nothing, it's really dried out. There are 2 apples. That actually isn't bad. The next one we're gonna be trying is the fast option, which I'm gonna be doing honeydew melon, which is right here on the fast option. I've already rinsed everything out just to be able to show how much we get, and I don't want to get it mixed up with the other stuff. So let's try this one out. Let's check out how much juice we got from it. So we got the same amount as the apple, not too bad. It's about like hitting the 10 ounces, including all that foam. That's a good amount of juice for a little bit of honeydew melon that I had. It's actually really good. Oh, it smells amazing. Let's see how much we had left over. This isn't that much that's coming out of how much I was juicing. It actually does get most of the juice out. Actually, like 99% of the juice. Whatever is left over, it's like literally just nothing. Like it's not even coming out anymore, like little drips. Let's try the last option. I'm just gonna do about 6, 7 oranges, but they're pretty dry. So I'm gonna say 5 because I had it cut off half of it. They're pretty dried up. So we're gonna do the quiet soft fruit option, which is right here. And let's see how much juice we get out of these dried up oranges. So it is about 7, but to be honest, you see how like one of them's cut off. Some of them are cut off in the bottom because they're pretty dry and hard. So let's see. This is the quiet. So it is pretty quiet. You can still hear my voice, my loud voice. It's pretty quiet. It's not that loud, but this is only for citrus fruits. A lot of orange juice. All of this is just like the extra pulp, but it is still juice once it like dies down a little bit. So that's a lot of orange juice. Oh, it smells so good. These oranges were a little bit dried up, but let's see how much of the extra like pulp came out. I feel like there was a lot of extra on here, all of this, but let's see if it actually even has juice because these oranges were pretty dried up, so I honestly don't blame the juicer. But squeezing it, no juice is coming out. It's literally just mushy, but no juice is coming out. So it just takes up all the orange juice out of it, like whatever it can, and it just throws away anything that doesn't have any juice left because I'm like squeezing it as much as I can. And it's just like falling off my hand. No water is coming out. Yeah, this is a lot, but there's no juice in there, so was not wasteful. I didn't juice any veggies, huh? But I did try the 3 options. I don't have any veggies. I need to go shopping, but I feel like this juicer is very convenient. It's super easy to use. I love that it actually brings out all the juice that's left in the fruit. Okay, so I had to wash my hands because that was really sticky. I feel like it's actually a good buy. You get a lot of juice. It's pretty fast and easy. I got mine on Amazon and it was $2.79 with tax and everything. It was about $300. They do sell this on the Breville Breville website for the same exact price. Obviously, if you have Prime, Amazon will ship it faster. But yeah, other than that, it is a little pricey. They do have 3 options. So they have the older version of the juicer. They have, actually I think they have like 4 juicers. They have the older version, which I'm not sure what it's called, but my friend has it and she said that it works amazing. Then they have this one in a smaller version, so you don't necessarily have to buy the XL. I just felt like it was more convenient because we can store juice longer, and since I'm not the only one at home drinking juice, it's actually more convenient because it just stores for 3 days and I don't have to juice every day. So it is very convenient for me. But they do have a smaller option, which literally it just, the only difference is I think that it just doesn't come with the container to store more. Hope I didn't miss anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time.